how do you get your offer? Well, first of all, I'm here to help you. I'm going to help you find your offer. And I even have a special prompt for you, an AI prompt that you're going to copy and paste into ChatGPT or something like ChatGPT if you use something else. And it's going to give you everything you need. Today is your lucky day. Like it's going to be so, so cool. I can't wait to see what everybody comes up with and which one they choose because you're going to get more than one um, offer given to you. So I'll show you what I mean. Let me just show you what I mean. Okay. So what you'll get, step one are the questions that this is going to ask you. So I'm not even going to show you that because it's going to be in the prompt. You'll use the link in the description below or the pinned comment. It'll take you over to where you're going to get the prompt. And actually, if you're watching this on TV or something, you don't have the ability to click the link, just go to stan my name, Arlan, Arlan. Stan.store/Arlan. And for free, you're going to see just a couple down, you will see this precision offer prompt because it's going to precisely tell you what you can offer and it's going to give you more than one option. So the step one is going to be these questions that it asks you. It's very quick. It doesn't take too long because they're kind of the same question asked in a different way. And you can think about it for a while and kind of come back to it, or you can just answer it pretty quickly and then see what it brings you. And then in step two, this is the actual prompt. Like this prompt is 3 pages long. So like you have to copy it and then you paste it. And it's this long prompt that you just get all this from. So the step two, it's telling ChatGPT using my answers, determine which opportunity satisfies all three of Arlen's leverage criteria. Like this is something I built for you that it would take you a ton of time to put together yourself. But it's going to help you find your clear buyer, the clear pain point, like what it's costing them, and the clear path that you can deliver. And it's going to explain why this is your highest leverage zone. So this is something that is just going to be so helpful to you. Do it right now. You don't have to wait for the end of this video. Just go sign up for it, copy it, paste it in, and you can watch the rest of this video with me. Then step three, it's telling it to shape it into a minimal revenue offer. Turn that high leverage zone into one offer, not a menu. So it's gonna create three versions of my offer plan. So you're gonna have one that's very simple and beginner friendly that you could like if your audience is beginners or are beginners. You're gonna have one that's more sustainable that makes the recurring revenue possible. And you're going to have a third version of the same offer that is scalable, that can grow beyond 100,000 per year. And then you're going to get to decide which one of these you want to kind of focus on. And yes, you can do more than one because they're going to be the exact same type of offer, but kind of delivered in a different way to maybe different people. Each version should include who it's for, the outcome, the simplest delivery model, and the one sentence. Now, listen, don't get confused. This is not something that you have to figure out. This is something that ChatGPT is going to deliver and tell you once you answer those first questions at the top that I didn't show you. That's why this is so cool. And then step four, it's going to position it in a way that I position offers. So it's going to rewrite the offer using my clarity rules. And these are my rules. Step five, it's going to generate your Stan operating system infrastructure map. That basically means that on Stan, you can sell your products. This is what I used. I just won this big contest with Gary Vee and Stan Store, where I was number 3 out of 4,000 plus people. Just ended a couple days ago, and it was so cool. And I've made more than $250,000 on Stan since maybe 7 months ago, 7 months ago now. And it's because I use the Stan OS and now I give you the Stan OS. So this is like for free, you're getting all this mapped out for you. Outline the exact assets this offer needs inside of a Stan store, and it gives you all this product information, including your script if you want to do a sales video. I mean, it's everything you need. And then step 6 is build the proof without bragging stories. So it's going to talk about your narrative that you can put into content because you have so much power with YouTube and Instagram and LinkedIn and Substack. You have power to choose one or two of these platforms and promote it. And that people say, well, how do I promote the offer once I have it? Well, I'm showing you how to get the offer itself because that's a major, major thing. If you don't have a great offer, you can promote it all day long and it won't work. But if you have a wonderful offer like this is going to help you build, then you can use content to pretty much freely promote. You could do paid ads if you wanted, but you could also do this content like YouTube videos and different webinars and different things like that, and you could sell it for free. And then step 7 is create my next 5 pieces of content so that it helps you build everything you need. And each topic is how I deliver my videos on YouTube: education, reduce friction, see the offer naturally, build trust. No title should sound like copywriting formulas. Make them human. Like this is why it's called the precision offer. It is so precise. So I want you to use this again. The way that you get it is you just go to the link in the description below or the pinned comment. It'll take you to my stand page, my stand store page. And then you'll scroll down just a little bit, maybe the third item down, depending on what you're looking at it on. And it'll say precision offer. You'll put your name in, you'll put your email address in, you'll say that you're open to getting emails from me, and then download. And then it'll email you, or I will email you the prompt. You take the prompt, you download that PDF. It's 3 pages. Most prompts are like a sentence or a question or a paragraph. This is 3 pages. You copy it word for word, and then you paste it into ChatGPT, and it'll give you everything that I just listed to you, all of the answers. And yes, if you don't like what it comes up with, you can also say, hey, do another one. I don't really like this, but base it on, I like this part of it, not this part. But most, like 90% of the people who use this are going to love what they get even the first time. That's what's so great about it. So take advantage of this time. You do not have to be a technical person. You don't have to be someone who's incredibly business savvy. You just answer these questions like you normally would if a friend were asking you or if I were asking you. It's then going to give you the information that you need. And then when it tells you what to make, you're going to have 3 different options of how you could do it. It could be something that's like a one-on-one. It could be something that's like a guide, or that's a PDF that you create, or a video series that's like a course. It'll tell you, and then you use Stan to sell it. And I have Stan OS where I am teaching Stan operating system. It's a new program where I am handing you 2 things. One is I am handing you a dashboard that is yours to keep, where you have everything you need. Like if you think this prompt is awesome when you use it, which you will, the OS dashboard is going to blow your mind because it's everything you need. It's everything that I needed to make what I made. No guarantees that you'll make money, but it's everything you need to know how and to do what you need to do. And then I have 4 2-hour workshops that you have access to. And all of it is for a very, very low price that's accessible. And I'm excited about it. We were kind of halfway through as the time of this recording, but you may see this months later, and it still is available in the replay, and the dashboard itself is available. If this video is up, it's available. So you get all of that, but you get this freebie for free. That's why it's called a freebie. You get this, it's a lead magnet. And it's kind of cool because I'm actually showing you with this video, I'm giving you an example of the types of videos you could make to promote your offer. I'm also giving you an example of what a lead magnet is and what you could do with a lead magnet. I'm using a prompt. You could use a prompt. In fact, I sell 125 of my best-selling prompts. I hand that to you in Prompt Shop in a Box, which is another program I have. And then I give you an AI tool that helps you build unlimited number of prompts. So what a lot of people are doing is they're joining Stan OS. And right now, I'm going to tell you the price, what it is right now, but this could go up and probably will. So it'll be whatever it is when you get to it, but it's $99. Okay. So you joining Stan OS, $2,500 program for $99. You're getting the training and you're getting the dashboard. So everything you need to set up your Stan store. You may go ahead and get your Stan store, which is what most people are doing. And that costs $29 a month, I believe. One version of it, the standard version. And then what a lot of people are doing, like maybe half the people who get Stan are also getting Prompt Shop in a box for another $99. Again, subject to change. For another $99, that's just 200 bucks, and they're getting all the inventory. So they get the prompts, they can use them as lead magnets, they can use them to sell like I do. I do both. I've sold thousands of my prompts, like hundreds of my prompts thousands of times. And I also use them as lead magnets like I'm doing right now. So quickly, a way that you could do this, a strategy I would give you if you came to me and you like, I need you to consult me. One way I would do this is you have, let's say you have 4 videos you're going to record for YouTube that are going to be at least 8 minutes long for the next 30 days. And in each video, you decide I'm going to give away one prompt. Like I might even do this because I'm doing this for this one video. I might keep doing it. If you tell me in the comments if you want me to keep doing this, I give away one prompt and I'll explain the prompt and what prompts are and how that will help you. I'll explain how it helps in that video. I'll link to my Stan store. I'll have people join my mailing list, get the prompt, the exchange for the prompt. You give me your email, and then I'll help them understand what paid offer they have. So you're just watching a masterclass in it. Not to be too, on my own stuff, but I just won the Stan contest. So I do know how to use it. And this is what I'm doing. So when you're selling and negotiating, you want everybody to win. That's how you know it's a good situation. I win because I get more people on my mailing list who I know are interactive. And then some of those people will go on to buy Stan OS and Prompt Shop in a box. You win because you get this free, amazing prompt that is going to help you no matter what, even if you never buy anything from me. So we all win. And then if you end up buying Stan OS or Prompt Shop in a box or both, you win even more. So there are no losers in this interaction, and that's what makes it great. So make sure when you're coming up with your offers and your kind of sales pipeline, the funnel, or however you want to describe it, that there's like winning along the way for everybody involved. And that's when you know, I can just do this forever. I can just do this forever. As long as I'm helping people and I'm not taking more than I'm giving, then this is a great offer. That's how you do it. So I hope this helped you. Let me know in the comments if it did, if you want more videos like this one, if you want more free prompts for yourself. And I'll see you in Stan OS. I'll see you in Prompt Shop in a Box. If you're already there, I'll see you at our next live workshops. And I hope you have a great, great time. Let's go. Let's see you win.